You better be recording our last moments.
So again, I'll have you guys up to that now in about 10-12 minutes.
It's so...
What are you eating?
Bakit maalat ang dagat? Dahil siya iganti yun.
Kasi naiyak siya.
Kinagat ng langgam.
Tapos,
Kinuwan tuloy yung hita niya. Mga tao. Mga kumukuha ng
nagtatransport ng asin.
nagtatransport ng mga asin. Hanggang sa
Gumawa.
nakagat siya ng langgam, gumalaw siya. Yung mga taong gumagamit ng hita niya, ng binti niya, na naglag sa dagat na may dalang mga asin.
Yung ba
Kaya
yun?
naging maalat ng dagat.
Yung pala ang alamat ng dagat. Yung ba't naging maalat ang dagat?
Matamis ang dagat.
Nalanggamin.
Oo,
Hindi, tsaka puno ng langgam yung dagat.
puno ng langgam ang dagat. Halong mais, mahirap yun.
Ito na ang LA. Traffic. What are you eating? What is that?
I don't want to be in TikTok. My friends are finding your TikTok.
This is
It
not.
has to be a salt. It has to be an ice.
Hey guys, welcome back to another banger. No, you have to be really fast. You have to be like, hey guys, welcome back to another banger. Guys, we're back with another banger. We're gonna eat Korean. Hey guys, we're back with Wait, can you see me?
Yes,
Here?
I can see it.
Wait, and I can see myself here?
Yeah.
So, if she were to flip it, I could
Then
see
it
her?
would be on me.
Oh, that's nice. How much was this? This is low-key worth it.
Hindi,
No, it
maganda
follows
yan.
with you. It follows-
Yeah, it follows you.
Oh, it's a gyroscope.
No, it's on.
I think this
That's
one
like,
is.
welcome back to the-
Because my friends are snowboarders.
like
Like, you can
Ang gulay. Ang dami pala.
It's a beautiful sunset. You see that is not going.
Ah?
Wait, that's what we're riding on? What if we fall?
Yeah, it's your final destination. It's your...
I don't want to do this.
Pareho kayo ng daddy mo. Maiwan na kayong dalawa.
I don't want to.
Takot daw
I'm
siya.
gonna cry. I don't.
Daddy doesn't want to do it too.
What if it like cuts open and we all fall and die?
Final destination.
Guys, I
Takot
can-
pala to.
I can feel it in my gut. I'm warning you. This looks scary. How long is this gonna take?
5 minutes.
That's so long.
Yata. Hindi ko alam. 5 or 10. Ayan o.
You better be recording our last moments.
Oh, I want a bracelet like.
Promising.
Just don't look.
Don't take me here. Don't take me here. Don't take me here.
Oo. Huwag ka lang titingin.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Palm Springs Aerial Tram. So again, I'll have you guys up to that now in about 10-12 minutes.
Hindi dito. Doon sa baba. Oh, yeah. You're gonna be scared here. Yeah, don't.
It's so It's so.
You can see yourself,
I
right?
can't see myself. And my teeth are white.
Yeah. Yeah. Ito ang mukha ng hindi gusto ang pinupuntahan. Ganito lagi si Ian pagkasama mo sa labas. Laging pagod. Malapit lang ba siya?
Yeah, it's like how far? Yeah.
Oh, like near their house? Oh, it's at the outlet.
Oh, is that different? Is that two different things? That one and the one?
Oh yeah, their house is right here, but the outlet is over there.
Yeah.
So it's like 20 more minutes. Like when you go back, it's like 25 minutes. Ano, kuha ka ng pamunas, punasan mo tong dumi mo. Ay, hindi. Green nga. Thank you. Oh. Yan na.
Mocha de Mexico.
Gusto mo yan?
Ano ba meron?
Ito. Itong Mexican coffee nila, masarap.
Kunting peanut?
May, hindi. Yung sa'yo, oh, parang lasa mo. Vanilla bean latte. Mocha. White mocha latte.
I want. Wait, what thing is that? Energy.
Ice.
Mango. Mango.
Is it good?
Mango.
Best drink ever. What the heck? Iced or Ian, you want hot? Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Love. Love.
Oh, I love. Okay, start with the banana.
The banana cold
And then.
energy. The,
Like a mango energy smoothie.
or do you want the mango? White mocha latte, iced. What's something that we should get? The
For refreshers, I like this one over the monster.
this one really good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we'll try that, and then Evo could do a vanilla bean, an iced. Yeah, yeah, and then an iced vanilla bean latte. And
I'm gonna edit them out.
white mocha.
Luto-luto.
Ingat ka kasi maluwang daw yung straw. Bawasan mo dito. Bawasan mo dito.
Okay, don't drop this. Stop holding that. Let's go. Be careful. I'll hold it. Don't go in the wrong car. Herc, I thought there was someone in the car. I got.
Yes, someone